In December 2025, the United Kingdom experienced a notable increase in its inflation rate, as measured by the Consumer Prices Index. The CPI rose to 3.4%, up from 3.2% in the previous month. This uptick signals a shift in the economic landscape, reflecting changes in the costs of everyday goods and services. The rise in inflation has drawn attention from policymakers and the public alike, as it impacts household budgets and the broader economy. In December 2025, the UK's inflation rate rose to 3.4%, marking an increase from the previous month. This rise was largely fueled by higher tobacco prices, which saw a notable jump following new excise duties introduced in late November. Airfares also contributed significantly, with prices surging during the busy holiday travel period. Additionally, food costs, especially for bread and cereals, continued to climb, adding further pressure to household budgets. Together, these factors illustrate the complex mix of policy changes, seasonal trends, and economic forces driving up the cost of living. Tobacco prices in the UK saw a marked increase in December 2025, largely as a result of higher excise duties introduced at the end of November. This policy change led to a 5.2% annual rise in tobacco prices, up from 4.0% in the previous month. The timing of the excise duty adjustment meant that its full effect was reflected in December's inflation figures. These higher tobacco costs contributed significantly to the overall uptick in consumer prices, highlighting the direct influence of fiscal measures on everyday expenses. The timing of excise duty changes played a pivotal role in the notable rise in tobacco prices by December. When the UK government implemented higher excise duties on tobacco, on November 26, 2025, retailers quickly passed these costs onto consumers. As a result, tobacco prices saw a 5.2% annual increase in December, up from 4.0% the previous month. This sharp uptick illustrates how policy adjustments, especially those affecting taxation, can have an immediate and measurable impact on consumer prices. Airfares in the UK saw a dramatic increase, rising by 28.6% in December 2025 compared to the same period the previous year. This sharp uptick was largely driven by heightened demand for travel during the Christmas and New Year holidays, when many people book return flights. The surge in prices reflects both seasonal trends and the limited availability of seats during peak travel times. Such significant increases in airfares have contributed notably to the overall rise in inflation, impacting the cost of living for many households. Seasonal factors played a significant role in driving up airfare prices during December. The Christmas and New Year period typically sees a surge in travel demand, as many people book flights to visit family or take holidays. This heightened demand often leads to airlines increasing ticket prices, especially for return flights around the festive season. As a result, airfares experienced a notable spike, contributing to the overall rise in inflation during this time. Food price inflation remains a significant concern in the UK, with notable increases observed in December 2025. Among the various categories, bread and cereals have experienced some of the steepest price hikes, contributing to an overall food inflation rate of 4.5%. This marks a rise from 4.2% in the previous month, highlighting persistent upward pressure on household grocery bills. The surge in bread and cereal prices reflects broader challenges in the supply chain and global market conditions, which continue to impact the cost of everyday essentials. Food inflation in the UK showed a noticeable upward trend between November and December 2025. In November, food prices rose by 4.2% compared to the previous year. By December, this rate had increased to 4.5%, indicating a continued acceleration in the cost of groceries. The rise was especially pronounced in categories such as bread and cereals, which contributed significantly to the overall increase. This trend reflects ongoing pressures on household budgets as food costs continue to climb. Policy changes play a significant role in influencing consumer prices, particularly through mechanisms like excise duties and regulatory adjustments. For example, an increase in excise duties on tobacco can lead to immediate and noticeable rises in retail prices, as seen in the UK's recent inflation data. Such fiscal measures are often implemented to achieve public health objectives or generate government revenue, but they can also contribute to higher living costs for consumers. Regulatory changes affecting sectors like transportation or food production can similarly impact prices, either by increasing operational costs or altering market dynamics. Understanding these policy-driven factors is essential for interpreting shifts in inflation and the broader cost of living. Global economic conditions continue to play a significant role in shaping the UK's cost of living. Fluctuations in international markets, supply chain disruptions, and changes in commodity prices all contribute to the pressures faced by households. When global fuel or food prices rise, these increases often filter through to consumers, impacting everyday expenses. Additionally, policy decisions and economic trends in other countries can influence inflation rates and the overall economic climate in the UK. As a result, the cost of living remains sensitive to developments beyond national borders. Rising inflation has a direct impact on households across the UK, making everyday expenses more challenging to manage. With the cost of essentials like food, tobacco, and travel increasing, many families find their budgets stretched further each month. Higher prices for bread and cereals mean that even basic groceries take up a larger share of household income. The surge in airfares can also affect travel plans, especially during peak holiday periods. Overall, these inflationary pressures contribute to a higher cost of living, prompting many to adjust their spending habits and prioritize necessities. Policymakers face a complex set of challenges when tackling rising inflation while striving to support consumers. Balancing the need to curb price increases without stifling economic growth requires careful consideration of monetary and fiscal policies. External factors, such as global supply chain disruptions and fluctuating commodity prices, often limit the effectiveness of domestic interventions. Additionally, targeted support for vulnerable groups must be weighed against the risk of fueling further inflation. Navigating these competing priorities demands both flexibility and a deep understanding of the broader economic landscape. The latest inflation figures reveal a notable increase, with the Consumer Prices Index rising to 3.4% in December 2025. This uptick was largely driven by higher tobacco prices, following an increase in excise duties, as well as a sharp rise in airfares during the holiday season. Food prices, particularly for bread and cereals, also contributed to the overall inflation rate. These factors reflect the combined impact of government policy changes, seasonal travel demand, and ongoing pressures in global supply chains. The broader implications point to continued challenges for households as the cost of living remains elevated. Looking ahead, the trajectory of UK inflation and the cost of living remains uncertain. Factors such as global supply chain dynamics, energy prices, and domestic policy decisions will continue to shape price trends in the coming months. While some analysts anticipate that inflation may gradually ease if external pressures subside, others caution that persistent challenges could keep costs elevated for households. Monitoring these developments will be crucial for understanding how economic conditions may impact everyday life in the UK.